है देयर माय फेलो इंडियंस, वेलकम टू न्यूज़ हैमस्टर। तो आईसीआईसी का रिजल्ट आ गया है, सीबीएसई का रिजल्ट भी आ गया है, उसके साथ ही साथ चाचा जी और फूफा जी का फोन भी आ गया है। बट ऑफ कोर्स द वीडियो इज नॉट अबाउट दैट। Yesterday we saw on news that India has been dropped by Iran from the Chabahar-Zahedan railway project. So what is this Chabahar-Zahedan railway project? Let us see. So in the year 2016, India invested $8 billion in Iran for the construction of the Chabahar port. Now this port, called a Chabahar port, is the only oceanic port that Iran has, and this port is located in the Gulf of Oman. Apart from the construction of the Chabahar port itself, India also promised to build a railway line connecting Chabahar to the Zahedan province in Iran. Now Zahedan province is important because it stands at the border of Iran and Afghanistan. So why has India been dropped by Iran? There are several reasons for this. One, the Iran has said that India has been delaying the funding for this project and India has not been able to complete the deadline. So basically Chabahar has been completed, but India has not started funding or any work with regards to this railway line between Chabahar and Zahedan. Now India cites one reason is that India is worried that US will impose sanctions against India when it starts this work with Iran. Another major development that we saw is that China and Iran have forged a 25-year deal, that is a strategic partnership between each other, where China has promised to invest $400 million in Iran and undertake all those projects, including the Zahedan Chabahar railway project. And that is why we see that India has been dropped, because India was anyway delaying the payment when it comes to, or the funding when it comes to the completion of this project. None of the official parties, be it Iran or Tehran, the capital, or Beijing, have confirmed that this is the actual deal that is going to be happening out there, but then a leaked version of this 18-page strategic deal has been released, which tells us that this is the scene. Now why is this railway line important for India? So if you see, we are very good friends with Afghanistan. Afghanistan hamara bahut acha dost hai, so much so that we have even constructed their parliament building. We involve ourselves in a lot of aids and developments and credits, so on and so forth. But the problem is we do not have direct connectivity to Afghanistan because of the POK region that has been occupied by Pakistan, and that is the only way we can reach to Afghanistan. Hence, India came up with another plan that we will have a good friendship with Iran. Of course, we did have a good friendship with Iran, and through this way, we will be reaching Afghanistan, and the Chabahar port was the entry of India to Afghanistan. Basically, the India would travel all the way from the Indian Ocean, reach Chabahar port, enter Chabahar port, from there take the railway from Chabahar to Zahedan, and then reach Afghanistan. But now this new development has stalled this very idea. So why has Iran done this? Is Iran pissed off with us or angry with us? No. Simple, India has delayed its funding. Apart from that, Iran is a very good enemy of USA, and now China has also found its place as a very good enemy of USA. So these both are clubbing together and trying to corner USA. Now these both are having fun, but then what is the problem with India? India is stuck in a diplomatic dilemma where it has to balance relations both with Iran, also with USA, and if India does a lot of favor to Iran, USA will impose sanctions on India, and this we cannot afford. So there are several things that are at stake for India here. One is the friendship with Iran. India is very good friends with Iran and also a large trading partner. Iran exports the second largest amount of crude oil to India. Apart from that, its stronghold in the West Asian region makes it a very good ally for India. Second thing is, when China intervenes in these kind of situations, we have already seen that China has wooed most of our neighbors like Nepal, Bhutan, Maldives, Sri Lanka, so on and so forth. But when it comes to this particular place, if China makes sure that India is out of Iran's good books, then we will lose access to Iran's friendship. We will also lose access to Afghanistan. Now Afghanistan is a very good friend of ours and it needs our assistance due to its particular condition, and if we lose the outreach to Afghanistan through Iran, then we will lose a strategic stronghold in the Central Asian region, because Afghanistan is the only country in Central Asia through which we have access to other countries like Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, so on and so forth. Lastly, one thing at stake here is a friendship with USA. Now if India goes head over heels against this decision and becomes very good friends with Iran, Donald Trump, Mr. Donald Trump, will be very angry with us. he will impose sanctions, and of course it will hurt our balance of payments and trade relations. So the only thing that India can do is play with diplomacy. Of course, we have our very own Indian James Bond, Ajit Doval, and of course we have the man himself, Narendra Modi ji. He can help us out. He can go out to these countries, reach them, and have bilateral talks with them, make sure the situation is sorted, and then we have a subtle, balanced approach towards all these nations, while we are also countering China's influence in these regions. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. This was a quick update by News Hamster. Like, share and subscribe, and of course share with those people who are interested to know about these things. Take care.